Alright, let's be real. Running a YouTube channel can feel like juggling flaming swords while riding a unicycle. Between brainstorming ideas, filming, editing, and then somehow finding the time to reply to comments and optimize for search, it's a lot. I've been there drowning in a sea of tasks, wondering if there's a lifeboat somewhere. So, I started on a mission. Could I automate my whole YouTube workflow with just a few clicks? I know, it sounds like a cheesy infomercial, but stick with me. If you're a creator, you get how draining it is to wear all the hats. Creator, editor, marketer, community manager, the list goes on. The grind is real. My biggest struggle? Time. There are only so many hours in a day. I'd spend forever tweaking thumbnails, replying to the same questions, or frantically trying to upload at the right moment. And even when I cobbled together a bunch of random tools, it was a headache. Half the time things broke or just didn't work how I wanted. I was basically throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something stuck. But here's the thing. I didn't give up. I kept digging for a better way. And that's when I hit the jackpot automation tools. I found out you can actually schedule uploads with just a couple of clicks using YouTube Studio. And if you want to go next level, there's tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ that take care of SEO, titles, and tags. Plus, if you're into connecting everything, Zapier lets you automate stuff like saving emails or posting to socials. Seriously, it's wild. But my favorite? I discovered this one tool that totally changed the game for me, scheduling uploads in advance. No more panicking at midnight because I forgot to hit publish. I even set up automated comment replies for the most common questions, which means I can stay connected without being glued to my notifications. Just a few clicks, and my workload shrank overnight. And honestly, that's the magic of automation. It gives you your time back. I can finally focus on the fun stuff, like pressing record, experimenting with new ideas, and actually connecting with you all. The less time I spend on repetitive tasks, the more creative I can be. It's helped me grow my channel and honestly, enjoy the process again. So, here's my challenge for you. What's one thing in your workflow you wish you could automate? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to swap tips and tricks. And if you want more hacks for creators, check out my other videos. Trust me, working smarter beats working harder every time.